Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Discord cannot open due to a fatal JavaScript error, then please watch this video. Now I'll explain the cause and then the solution. The cause is corrupt Discord cache and cookies and temporary files, and Discord is an application where this happens quite often. It doesn't happen as much with other applications. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command %appdata% and click on OK. And then if you find the Discord folder, right click on it, select delete. If it doesn't delete, then search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager. Now wait for all the processes to load. You might find the Discord process here. Right click on it and select end task. Expand it. If you find the Discord process here in the list of background processes, delete that as well. Okay. Now right click on this and select delete, and it will get deleted. Now press the Windows key and the R button together once again. Type %local app data % and hit enter. Right click on Discord and select delete. Now restart your system. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. This will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.